Hello, I'm Jenner B. De Guzman, is the President of the Community First Health Plan cooperative dedicated to providing quality healthcare and financial services to all individuals. The cooperative operates in San Antonio, Texas, and aims to empower its members with accessible healthcare and financial services. Contact information and social media channels. Phone number +1 210 277 2347. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, email info at cfhp.com. Address 12238 Silicon Doctors Te 100 San Antonio, Texas, United States 78249. The cooperative offers core programs and services including loan savings, plans, training, capacity buildings, programs, scholarships, and environmental projects. The cooperative is active on social media and is excited to announce new initiatives. To join the cooperative, members support programs and follow updates. Explain the flywheel value of the CDA. Flywheel strategy is absorbed. The flywheel concept in business and marketing describes a self-sustaining momentum and growth with minimal additional effort in the context of the customer. Data analysis (CDA) approach. The flywheel value is seen in how leveraging customer data can lead to continuous improvement, satisfaction, and loyalty. Organizations collect customer data, analyze it for insights, and use these insights to improve products and service, leading to increase customer satisfaction, referrals, and new customers. However, some critics argue that the flywheel strategy relies too heavily on technology, leading to neglect of human elements in customer relationships. Concerns also arise regarding the complexity and overhead of implementing and maintaining a flywheel system, as well as the risk of misaligned metrics and prioritizing tracking over genuine engagement. Skepticism may also arise from the perceived disproportionate initial investment compared to ascertained long-term benefits, as well as the potential for companies to become stagnant by overly relying on past success. And why? Yes, because while the flywheel strategy can potentially create substantial value through a self-reinforcing cycle of customer engagement and improvement. Skeptics highlight the challenges and risks associated with relying too heavily on this model. Number 2. What does the phrase unfinished business mean to you? Answer. The phrase unfinished business typically refers to tasks, obligations, or issues that have not been complete or resolved. It often carries a sense of lingering responsibility or unresolved conflict that needs to be addressed. This phase can be applied in various contexts such as personal relationships, professional setting, or even broader societal issues. It suggests a waiting or needing to return to something that still requires attention, closure, or finality in a more emotional context. It can also imply feelings of regret, unresolved emotions, or a desire for reconciliation. Overall, it signifies an aspect of life that is incomplete, and that's all. Thank you.